hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to send money using Bank of America, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Bank of America app or website and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, look for the Transfers option in the main menu. This is where you can initiate the money transfer process. Step 3. Choose the type of transfer. Select whether you want to send money to another Bank of America account, an external account, or via Zelle. Each option has different steps. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the recipient's information, including their name, email, or phone number, depending on the transfer method you chose. Double-check the details to avoid mistakes. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're sending money via Zelle, make sure the recipient is registered with Zelle to avoid delays. Happy transferring!